Acquisitions news. Hyliion Holdings closes acquisition of GE's revolutionary hydrogen and fuel-agnostic generator technology. Nikola announces extension of exchange offer to acquire Romeo Power common stock. Industry Services Company, a portfolio company of Osceola Capital, completes acquisition of Lone Star Sierra. Provident Financial to buy Lakeland Bancorp for an 18% premium in a $1.3 billion stock deal. Consumer products company Monolith raises $230 million to accelerate acquisition and growth strategy. Gaming and Leisure Properties completes previously announced sale of Tropicana Las Vegas and simultaneously enters into ground lease with Bally's Corporation. Bally's completes previously announced acquisition of Tropicana Las Vegas. Royal Bank of Canada completes acquisition of Brewin Dolphin. Oman oil driller Abraj Energy hires banks for $500 million IPO. Orlando Bravo, the buyout billionaire who backed Bitcoin. Bullish news. Sabey Data Centers achieves 7 Energy Star certifications. Billion-dollar brand builders across the U.S. to host first Think Billions experience, discussing ways to scale beyond 8 and 9 figures. Even in this economy. Clubhouse Media Group, Inc. closes promo deal with Klay Thompson, 4-time NBA champion. Splitmetrics recognized as high performer in G2 Fall 2022 reports. 90% of information in contracts is an untapped risk management goldmine. Dynamic Neural Retraining System offers drug-free solution for patients suffering from long COVID and other complex health conditions. Equilium stock is up 12% after sharing early data about its investigational lupus treatment. Jabil stock leaps after contract manufacturer posts beat and raise report. EMP Metals acquires second WELLBOOE at Mansa for lithium testing. Tylee Ad Solutions announces strategic integration with Peach. AI company Nala Robotics introduces the Wingman. Exedion and Cisco provide unparalleled network performance monitoring and analytics for Zain Kuwait. Kinder Morgan announces sale of equity interests in Elba Liquefaction Company. Exelon optimizes its operations with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Outlook Therapeutics and AmerisourceBergen announce strategic commercialization agreement for ONS 5010 for the treatment of wet AMD. Company growth drives Smart Bear to expand executive leadership team. Ontario Teachers grows presence in India with establishment of Mumbai office. Radio Flyer, 105-year-old Chicago-based business earns B Corp certification. Tech-driven platform Bridgeton Capital relaunches as ERITHMITIC. Amgen Inc. Nasdaq. AMGN. Insiders sold $4.9 million United States dollars worth of stock suggesting impending weakness. Skullcandy's first gaming headsets in years include tile tracking and a wireless model. OpenAP enables programmatic with OpenID to unify linear, digital and programmatic delivery across premium TV publishers. Savarident Sourcing Solutions and Pacira Biosciences collaborate to provide expanded access to EXPAREL for patients undergoing oral and maxillofacial procedures. Tolley Group testing shows RingCentral towers above competition in analytics capabilities. SAIC receives $170 million NASA contract to provide systems and software assurance services. Seagen and Zai Lab announce regional strategic collaboration and license agreement for TIVDAK. Tisotumab vedotin TFTV. Beauty Health announces $200 million share repurchase authorization. Semtex LoRa devices featured in Kiwi Technology gas metering solution. Teledyne introduces contact image sensors for high-speed, high-resolution line scan imaging. Facing a new generation of warfare. Precision fires provide crucial capability to rapidly engage an enemy. Tiba Biotech and the Australian state of New South Wales enter partnership to address emergency animal disease threats. iOffice plus Space IQ leverages strategic alliance with Autodesk to bring digital twin technology to building operators. New solution for Pi Networks Holder and the Pioneer. ETCO introduces standard and custom electrical connectors and terminals that meet aviation and drone design requirements. X4 Pharmaceuticals announces new positive Phase 1b data supporting mavorixafor's broad potential in chronic neutropenia. CN. Advanced Home Care Solutions announces its expansion plans. BurgerFi fuels sizzling growth with Oracle Cloud. Papaya Global achieves built for NetSuite status. Unified Communications as a Service. UCaaS. Global market size is projected to reach $44.7 billion at CAGR of 10.2% by 2030 reports and insights. Altus Power, Inc. announces definitive agreements to acquire approximately 97 megawatts of operating solar assets. Japan to toughen remittance rules to fight money laundering using crypto. Report. Hertz and BP sign MOU to develop network of EV charging stations across North America. Blade and Eve announce strategic partnership to expand urban air mobility ecosystem in India. Vertex and CRISPR Therapeutics announce global exa-cell regulatory submissions for sickle cell disease and beta thalassemia in 2022. Florida utilities gear up for Ian power outages. Digital bank Revolut wins FCA registration to offer crypto services in UK. Provident Financial Services, Inc. and Lakeland Bancorp, Inc. to combine to create New Jersey's premier supercommunity banking franchise. Exclusive Tesla to keep output at upgraded Shanghai plant below maximum sources. Zen 63 gel implant available now for patients with primary open-angle glaucoma where previous medical treatments have failed. Transplant patients experience less pain and fewer adverse events with CareDx non-invasive testing solutions. TripAdvisor's 2022 dining directory. Top-rated restaurants in US and around the world. Autodesk paves path to digital transformation in the cloud. C Global Asset Management expands fund and ETF lineup with ESG and commodities mandates. GXO expands warehouse services for Bayer. Merck Animal Health completes minority investment in Leo Precision Farming. Avidity Biosciences announces FDA partial clinical hold on new participant enrollment in Phase 1/2 Marina trial. SES AI Corporation announces that it will increase investment for Li metal battery development in South Korea. US Silica announces price increases on industrial and specialty products. AECOM extends multi-decade partnership providing program and project management services to the Greater Orlando Aviation Authority. Eagle Pharmaceuticals and Enalair Therapeutics announce additional award worth up to $50 million. From BARDA to advance an intramuscular IM formulation of ENA-001. Piedmont Lithium partner Atlantic Lithium completes pre-feasibility study for Ghana project. Merck's Keytruda, pembrolizumab, receives 4 new approvals in Japan, including in high-risk early-stage triple-negative breast cancer. TNBC. Newfound discovers new high-grade gold zone west of the Appleton Fault intercepting 10.4 grams, TO. Over 10.5 meters and 17.9 g, TO over 4.2 meters at Keats West. U.S. antitrust trial against American Airlines, JetBlue alliance kicks off. Adversaries continue cyber-attack onslaught with greater precision and innovative attack methods. According to 1H2022 NETSCOUTD DOS Threat Intelligence Report. AeroVironment, AVAV, clinches $20.6 million deal for Switchblade 300. Holland America Line completes installation of industry-leading SYNKROS gaming technology for casino slot machines. Ocular Therapeutics announces interim 7-month data from U.S. Phase 1 clinical trial of OTX-TKI for the treatment of wet AMD. Transocean, RIG, gets drilling contract from Norway-based firms. Stellantis and Uber join forces on electric vehicles market in France. Rio Tinto to start underground mining at Kennecott copper operations. Cloud migration expands France's SAP ecosystem. Duck Creek Technologies focuses on enhancing distribution channels and speed to market for insurers. With UK, EMEA expansion of Duck Creek producer. Optellum, AI lung cancer diagnosis innovator, secures $14 million Series A funding to accelerate expansion. Babylon and Bupa extend partnership to deliver digital health services to all Bupa UK Health insurance customers. Sweden's WestPay enlists Archie Worldwide to offer omni-commerce payments to merchants. iRobot introduces world's most advanced 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop with thoughtful iRobot OS 5.0 updates. Tapestry and Kate Spade New York partner with Harlem's Fashion Row. BlackRock sees insurers with $28 trillion adding private assets. Saudi Data, AIA Authority, SDAIA, and Ministry of Energy partner with IBM to accelerate sustainability initiatives in Saudi Arabia. Using AI, Accenture collaborates with Toshiba to drive green transformation across the enterprise. Miranda Lambert celebrates sold-out opening of Velvet Rodeo headlining LAS Vegas residency. Tony the Tiger and Mission Tiger partner with Kroger to give more middle school kids access to sports. Update: Teladoc Health is providing free virtual healthcare services to Florida residents impacted by Hurricane Ian. Cathie Wood says U.S. dollar strength could yet prompt Fed pivot. Update: 2 Biogen finalizes $900 MLN drug kickback settlement, U.S. says. Gold inches up, copper recovery hampered by China woes. All-electric Fisker Ocean scheduled for 2022 Mondial de l'Auto in Paris. Bearish news. Dow futures jump over 300 points on bets market is oversold after blue chip gauge falls into bear market. Gold bounces after tumbling to more than 2-year low. Avidity shares fall 23% after announcing partial clinical hold for myotonic dystrophy trial. Meta dismantles a China-based network of fake accounts ahead of the midterms. Texas Attorney General ducked subpoena in abortion case. Manulife expands Vitality program in unprecedented move to disrupt traditional insurance industry. Oil bounces off 8-month low as Hurricane Ian curbs Gulf production. Goldman Sachs closes $9.7 billion private equity fund, largest since 2007. Intuit, Inc.'s Nasdaq INTU market cap declines to $112 billion United States dollars, but insiders who sold $22 million United States dollars stock were able to hedge their losses. Concurrent to leave Raymond James, restructure as a $13 billion RIA. Phase stock falls after filing for the sale of up to 70 million shares. India agency raids Coda offices in money laundering probe involving Free Fire. Oil prices bounce from 9-month lows as Hurricane Ian clips Gulf production. Brands review data privacy policies after $1.2 million Sephora settlement. Hurricane Ian makes landfall in Cuba as it churns toward Florida. Elon Musk and Twitter set to argue over unresolved pretrial information requests. Oil prices climb off lows. Hurricane Ian, OPEC could reduce production. Oil majors shut in Gulf of Mexico production as Hurricane Ian advances. Waves. Musician Mr. Probs files $10 million suit against Sony over royalties. Equinor Acer. Notifiable trading. Update 1 U.S. to repeal court loss against sugar merger. U.S. to repeal court loss against sugar merger. Oil rises from 9-month low on U.S. Gulf supply cuts, softer dollar. Appeals court blocks California ban on for-profit prisons. Nasdaq scrutinizes share allocations after mysterious IPO gains. Ford seeks new trial after $1.7 billion jury verdict in truck rollover lawsuit. Bowflex maker Nautilus mulls possible sale. Story on U.S. ethanol plant emissions is withdrawn. Faraday Future resolves dispute with shareholder, may cut jobs. Financing news. Deloitte US announces $1.5 billion social impact investment to foster a more equitable society. Cranius closes $20 million Series A funding round. Goldman Sachs closes $9.70 BLN private equity fund, largest since 2007. Ferguson plc announces transaction in own shares. Intercontinental Hotels Group plc announces transaction in own shares, September 27. Biogen agrees to pay $900 million over alleged improper physician payments. Earnings news. SL Green Realty Corp. to release third quarter 2022 financial results after market close on October 19, 2022. TDSYNNEX reports fiscal 2022 third quarter results. Industrial Logistics Properties Trust third quarter 2022 conference call scheduled for Wednesday, October 26. Jabil posts fourth quarter and fiscal year 2022 results. Wingstop, Inc. to announce fiscal third quarter 2022 financial results on October 26, 2022. Avient updates third quarter and full year 2022 forecast. Endava announces fourth quarter fiscal year 2022 and fiscal year 2022 results. Earnings growth of 16% over 1 year hasn't been enough to translate into positive returns for Netflix. Nasdaq. NFLX. Shareholders. LabCorp to announce third quarter financial results on October 27, 2022. Polaris schedules third quarter 2022 earnings conference call and webcast. United Natural Foods, Inc. reports fourth quarter and full year fiscal 2022 results. announces new $200 million share repurchase authorization. Cardinal Health to announce first quarter results for fiscal year 2023 on November 4. Timken issues annual CSR report, sets 2030 target for greenhouse gas emissions. TransUnion announces earnings release date for third quarter 2022 results. ITT to release 2022 third quarter results on Thursday, November 3. Wash REIT issues 2023 guidance and provides operating update. California Resources, NYSE, CRC one-year decrease in earnings delivers investors with a 9.2% loss. Ferguson plc announces results for Q4 and the year ended July 31, 2022. Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings opens shareholder Q&A platform ahead of NYC investor event. Micron Technology Q4 preview. Can the earnings streak continue? Ryerson to host Investor Day on November 8, 2022. Links to articles are below. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.